Ready to see the new Shadow Sense collection, and it's here. It's the iced neutral because the most excited part of this is the pencil. It came with that. So this is the iced neutral Shadow Sense collection. So when you buy as a collection, it comes with the bag. Here you have you can see it's like such a iridescent one, and it can hold so much. So anytime when you travel, these are perfect for you to take you with it, or even if you're going to office, you can just have whatever you need. And here it comes with three Shadow Sense colors and also the pencil. You can always buy them separately. Here you can see the shades. So first one is the caramelized shimmer. Next one is iced coffee shimmer, which is like a mauve pink, and the last one is the glitter. So glazed glitter, which is like a proper pink glitter Shadow Sense color. And here is your rose gold shimmer pencil. So that's the collection. Here I would say so these two are shimmers and even the pencil, and this is the glitter. So it will be really perfect for evening wear. First one I'm going to do is the caramelized shimmer in my crease color. This is like a warm brown with a shimmer to it. If you have hooded eye like me, you can see my natural crease hides under the hood. So how do you do it is you always look straight and keep a dot like this, so you know where you want to do. That way it doesn't hide in your crease. If you see my natural crease, I have to keep it here. Then when I open my eyes, you won't see the color at all. So that's a trick if you have a hooded eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just blend it in my crease color. This is so easy to blend, and when you start taking a little at a time, it makes it easy. You can either do the windshield wiper motion where you do like this very lightly, or you can do like a very small swirls. So whichever is convenient for you. Always make sure you don't go too far from here. That's way you want your end to be like this. You can always clean it out. I will show you that too, so that it always should uplift your eye rather than make it look droopy. So anytime when you do, just take it from here. This itself is more, and you can always add more color to it. I'm going to add 2 times or 3 times until I feel like the color is how much ever I need. I can blend. So don't add too much, then the blending becomes harsh, or you will not get a clean finish. And I'm also adding it at the just the corner of my eyes too. I always like to take a clean brush which doesn't have any color and blend out just the corners, because that way you don't have any harsh edges. You don't need to have any product. This is just to blend out the corners alone. The second one I'm going to take is the iced coffee shimmer. It's like a mauve brown with shimmer to it. You can see I have blended the brown. This will look really nice even as a all over lid shade. You can see how pretty it is. And if you have any darker browns, you can even do this as a all over lid shade and just add onyx or garnet, rustic brown, any darker browns in the outer corner. And I also wanted to show this one next to it. You can see, if you do you see, this is hot chocolate from the mini collection, and this is one. So if you have missed this one, you can always grab this, because this is going to be really close. So here I'm going to do the shimmer as my all over lid shade. Anytime when you take, make sure you just take it from here, because this itself is a lot of product. Here I'm applying it all over, and I like to go as per very slowly, because this way I can control the color instead of adding a lot. You can see when you take it from the tube itself, this is so it comes so much. So here I can control how I need, so that I can slowly blend it with the brown shade. And this is closer to the again another shade from the minis itself. So these colors will really be really nice for any evening wear, and also to do as a single color too. You can see how shimmery it is, but at the same time it's very subtle shimmer. It reminds me of desert rose with shimmer to it. Desert rose comes under a matte collection, so that way This is more of what is it, like a desert rose with shimmer. I have desert rose is one of my all-time favorite, because desert rose you can even blend it with your fingers. That's how easy it is to blend with. So if you have desert rose, you can think of this as a desert rose with shimmer. So my favorite, always I like to wear pinks and browns, because here you cover, it can go with any outfit basically, because most of the time that's the colors we go with. So here pairing them with brown and pink, you can pretty much wear it with any outfit. The last one is the glazed glitter. I'm really excited. Can you see the color? It's so pretty. It's the light pink with the silver glitters on it. So if you have seen one of my customers shared her kids picture with where she used Mocha Java glitter all over. In that case, this will look really well on even nothing underneath, just as a glitter too. Anytime when what I like to do is I like to take the glitters like this, because do you see, oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, because there is so much glitter if you're going to apply like this. If you want it, then it's fine, but my way is to just do like this. Do you see? Oh my god, it's so going to be pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm just taking away the glitters. So when you rub it like this, you will just get the glitters here. So I'm going to just press it on top of this to make it look more pretty. So that's what I'm going to do. So how much ever glitter you need, you can add it. This is going to be pairing it well with many of the colors. Like this glitter will go well. Do you see the difference? This is just a shimmer, whereas I have added glitter here. So that's where the difference comes. So it's always up to you on how much you want to add. Whether you are a matte person, shimmer person, or glitter. For example, even if you have hot chocolate or any other pink, I would say many of you got pretty in pink, so you can add pretty in pink all over, and you can add it like this, so that it's going to be really pretty. For the lower lid, I'm going to use the brown that we used, which is the caramelized shimmer. This is my favorite brush from Real Technique for underneath, so I'm just going to add it for my lower lashes. If you don't, if you have a smaller eye, make sure you stop it here. You don't have to bring it all the way. Mine is a little bit bigger, so I can bring it closer to my eyes too. So this just completes the look instead of leaving it halfway. It's just a simple step, but makes a huge difference. So that's, you can see this will complete the look anytime when you do. It's like instead of leaving it halfway on the top, this is just makes it whole. So here comes the fun part. You can see this is the rose gold pencil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rose gold pencil on top. So then I can maybe do a darker pencil down. So whenever you do a pencil, I like to hold it tight. That way I can have little bit more precise, and as you know, we have like little control over what we do, and it's such a subtle one. If you already had the gold pencil, you can see this is very easy to do. With SaNagen's pencils, they are again all day wear, and you don't have to you don't have to worry about smudging, and also you can use them in multiple ways. Like you can even use it as a all over lid color. You can use it as your lip pencil too, if you don't know, because here you don't have anything to sharpen. It is just like a twisting pencil, so this will add so much dimension to your whole look. I just did black in my lower waterline. Whatever I recorded, I think it didn't get recorded. So, but you can pretty much do both. You can do black, black brown, or brown, or even you can do the same rose gold underneath. And also, you can do make sure to do the brown just to smoke out a little bit more. Here, I'm going to show how you can clean up the excess if you have come, if you are a beginner. And for me, you can see it's already little cleaner, but this is another way to do it. You can either use natural tan, tiara, or even medium concealer, or here I'm using the medium highlight, which you can take it with like a pointed brush. What you're going to do is you're just going to clean up the edges with the pointed brush. Do you see? Just clean out the edges like this. What this is going to do is it's going to lift the whole eye look. So that's the purpose of it. It's again an optional step, but make it will make it look more professional. Let me finish with mascara and show you the final look. So that's the complete look. I just finished with mascara, and also I did the tiramisu glass. If you are getting this, make sure you grab the glass too, because this will go really well. And again, this is a color that's going to be discontinued after December, so I don't want you guys to miss out on that. So here is the full collection again. So this is it comes with one brown, one pink, and one glitter, and the pencil. And you can see it is a very, very pretty evening party look, I would say. That too, now that New Year is going to be there, you will have fun wearing any one shade too. As I said, even if you are a beginner, you don't have to do anything. You can just swipe how I did my glitter, and you can just press it all over, and it's going to be looking so pretty. So hope you like the collection. See you all soon.